Hey, what's going on guys? My name is Alex and welcome back to another video. Today, as you can see already by the title, we're gonna be taking a look at Windows 11. And before I start, make sure you enable subtitles on my videos to understand better what I say. So yeah, let's start. First of all, if you wanna download and install Windows 11 on your main machine, do not do so because this is not the official ISO file from Microsoft themselves. I got it from a website. And Windows 11 is not publicly released right now, so I would suggest you trying out Windows 11 on a virtual machine like I'm going to do in a little bit. And yeah, I think Windows 11 is gonna be released on their event, which is going to be on 24th of June at 11 AM. You got it, 11 AM because Windows 11. I think that's when it's going to be the public release, I'm not sure. But also this is not the completed build of Windows 11. Of course there will be some features missing and all of that, but in this video we're gonna be taking a look at it, reviewing it, see what it's like, so you don't have to try it for yourself. And yeah. Hello guys, Editor Alex right here once again. I forgot to say in the video that I will not be including an ISO file link of where to download Windows 11 because of privacy issues, and I have the fear that if I do so, Microsoft themselves may take down my video and give me a copyright strike. And yeah, you may say that my channel is about cracked games and all of that, but because this is my first ever video of reviewing something on my channel, I wanna keep it plain and simple. And if you wanna download the ISO file yourself, then search the ISO file name right here that I have on my desktop, download it from a website and try it out on a virtual machine. And yeah, that's what I had to say. Let's get back to the video. In this video we're gonna be using the VMware Workstation 16 player right here as our virtual machine, and I'm gonna show you how the installation is looking like and all of that. Let me quickly create a new virtual machine, so I'll see you in a few seconds. Okay, so yeah, let's straight up run the virtual machine right here. I'm gonna be taking a look at how the installation is of Windows 11, and yeah guys, as you can see, this is the boot up for Windows 11. This is the new logo right here, as you can see, which is a bit off from Windows 10. I prefer the Windows 10 logo startup because this is just 2D it looks like. And yeah, this is the startup right here. We're gonna go straight up to the Windows setup. This setup is pretty much the same, and yeah, as you can see, the setup has not changed at all. It's pretty much the same setup. And yeah, as you can see, this is set up right here. You can choose whichever version of Windows 11 you want. There is Home, Home N, Home Single, etc, etc. But for this video, we're gonna download Windows 11 Pro, as which many of you will of course have Windows 10 Pro in general. And yeah, we're gonna click next. I'm gonna install it on my 60 GB virtual machine hard drive or SSD, whatever it is. I'm gonna click next. And yeah, here right now it's gonna start installing. I'm gonna fast forward this part right here till we get to Windows 11 itself. So yeah, I will see you in a bit. Okay guys, here we are in the Windows 11 welcome part, let's say it. Is that you put your country, your email and all of that. And yeah, surprisingly it looks quite good, you know. It has the rounded edges and it looks nice. I quite like it. Gonna skip all of these, we're gonna just skip all of those and just see what's next. Gonna leave everything default, I'm not gonna change anything. And yeah, it looks quite good, but we're gonna see for ourselves how the Windows 11 desktop looks like itself. And yeah, right now you may see that it's a little bit sluggish because of course I'm using a virtual machine. I have assigned to it only 3 cores and 7 GB of RAM. But once we get to the 1080p experience, then it's not going to be very sluggish. I'm going to set it for personal use. And the good thing about this is that you can sign in as an offline account. If you do not want to use your Hotmail account or your Microsoft account, then you can use an offline account. But as it says here, you will have a limited experience, but I'm pretty sure no one would really care about that. Because of course some settings will be disabled in the Windows 11 settings. But yeah, we're gonna put Alex right here, just plain Alex. I'm gonna put the password of 123456, doesn't really matter. I'm just gonna skip this, I'm gonna put whatever. I'm not gonna take a lot of time on those. I'm gonna let everything default and I'm gonna see you in the actual desktop itself. And okay guys, here we are, it's taking us to the desktop right now, it's getting things ready for us as it says. It has the same black background as Windows 10, they have added a blue effect on it, which is quite good. And yeah, we're gonna wait for a few seconds till it takes us to the desktop. And here we are, this is Windows 11 right here. It already popped up the start menu for some reason. But yeah, first impressions, looks quite good. The start menu and all the buttons right here are in the middle, which is not something I prefer. But I think, from what I've read, I think there is an option to take it to the left side as it is on Windows 10. So of course right here. And yeah, first impressions, it looks quite good. Let me quickly fix the resolution and I'm gonna be back in a few seconds. And yeah guys, I'm back with the resolution right here. I fixed it on 1080p. We're currently in full screen mode. And yeah, this is Windows 11 right here. We're gonna take a look around File Explorer and all of that, Task Manager. But I'm not gonna take a lot of time on it. And yeah, let's head straight into it. So in the desktop, you have this blue, I don't know what it is, it looks like a flower, but it looks quite nice. The taskbar right here, all the icons are in the middle. In the bottom right corner, the new thing that they added is that they added the date itself, so it's Friday right now. On Windows 10, there's not that feature, it just says that it's 18th of June. It does not say what date it is, so in Windows 11 it says it's Friday, which is quite nice. So for the start menu, this is the start menu right here. They have added, from what I've seen, new icons, which I'm quite intrigued to see, especially in File Explorer. But yeah, these are not already installed apps, but if you click on top of it, it's gonna start installing the apps. So if you're on Windows 11, these right here, these apps right here are not already installed, but if you click on it, it's gonna start installing. And yeah, it looks quite good right here, but I do not really prefer it. I prefer the Windows 10 start menu, which has the live tiles and all of that. About File Explorer right now, it has these new icons, which I quite prefer, to be honest. It has these quite cool icons, as you can see right here. Let's head into the disk itself. The folders are a bit spaced out, but from what I've read again, you can change that setting to being like glued together. I'm pretty sure it's in the folder right here. Here it is, decrease space between folders. And yeah, if this is what you like, you can change it. And yeah, this is the File Explorer right here. Let's take a look at Task Manager really quickly. Okay, they still have the right click and the options. On the start menu, Task Manager. Task Manager hasn't really changed, if I'm being honest. It's still the same, only the rounded edges makes the difference. And yeah, it doesn't have any major differences from Windows 10 Task Manager, and it's still the same. I'm not really mad about it because of course this is not the public release, this is not fully finished yet, so they may change the Task Manager. I'm not sure, but we'll see that when the time comes. Let's head to the Windows 11 settings themselves. They also have a new cool animation, because if you double click on top of it, it's gonna animate in a really smooth way, which is what I like. And yeah, this is Windows 11 settings right here. It's pretty much the same, nothing really has changed. But yeah, I'm not gonna take a look at every single setting because this video is already long. But yeah, there are new icons right here. The system has changed, the devices has changed, the icons. And yeah, that's pretty much it. I do prefer it, but I don't think I would personally install it on my main machine, because this is technically a skin for Windows 10. And Windows 10 is just a completely new version of Windows, but with just a new skin. But I would suggest you not to install Windows 11 right now. Wait till the release of what else they show. because they will of course show more stuff, such as with the Microsoft Store. I've seen from some videos that it has not changed still. It's still the same Microsoft Store, and they've said that they will change it, they will make a complete new look. But yeah, if I were you, I would wait a couple of months or a couple of days to see how the final build of Windows 11 looks like, and yeah, from there you will decide yourself what you will do. And yeah, but personally, as I said, I will not install it right now. I will wait what more they will release. And yeah, this is my first ever video, as I said in the intro, of making something like this. So I hope you liked this kind of video. If you liked it, leave a comment in the comment section and tell me that you liked it, so I know that someone liked it. I personally liked it. It's a bit of effort, of course, recording, editing, because if I check right now, we have been recording for 26 minutes. And yeah, that's everything it. That's the video, guys. Thanks for watching. If you have any problems, tell me in the comment section. I'll try to help you as much as possible. If you have any video ideas, tell me in the comment section. I'll try to make them in the future. Thanks for watching, guys. Like, subscribe and share, and I'll see you in my next video. See ya.